Hola. How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you guys? Don't lick the camera. Portal. Oh. Ah! What are you doing? You know what? Hey, look. Look at this. Look. Whee! Right, hold on. Sorry guys. Whoa! Whoa! This is as far as it can go. Oh no. Whee! Hello. Whoa. Hello. Boop. Boop. Oh. Wow. It was. Hi. Comment down below if you guys could see something white every single time. Oh, did I step on your little fingertip? I'm sorry. Hold on. I'm in for trouble. Oh. Hi. Oh. Just look at the camera. You're looking. Oh God. You're looking at the camera. Brown, black, green. And this is a ladder, by the way, just in case you didn't know. Whoa. Who's that? Who's that? I can't get up there. These have got a glimpse. Well, I didn't, but the camera did. Tell me what it looked like on camera. Or at least people in the comments tell me what it looked like. Ah! Oh. Oh. Yeah, if I just put it down like that. Yeah, you guys can still see stuff. Ah. What is this? Like, what is happening? I don't get this. Hey, my friend. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Oh, I wish I caught that on camera. Oh, she wants to go in. Okay, I guess I will throw that away. Did I catch it on camera? I don't know. Oh God. I'll have to look. I'll have to watch the video back. But yeah. Oh, this is wiggly. Wiggly. Whoa. What's that? That's black. Just in case you didn't know. For all them uneducated folks. Whoa! She jumped up there like a cat. Oh, is it sideways? Sorry. Hello. I do not have edit. Like I've said before, I do not have edits, but I have camera zooming. Also, just in case if you're wondering, I don't know anybody has been wondering this, but if you guys are wondering why the camera on my videos have been getting very small, it's because the gap between the video where Ali and Sage were on the trampoline, which was actually the video where I introduced Sage to the channel. I think for Ali, it was probably that Ali's first bath video, but or maybe it was one before, maybe it was an earlier one, but yeah. And then the one after that came like I think sometime over 3 months later, and it was the unboxing on the Fools and Horses box set, which the anniversary is coming soon. I think I might make a video on that, but yeah, that was the first video that I did where the camera was very small. It's because all my first few videos are recording on my tablet, but in between the gap between the trampoline one and the Fools and Horses one, I actually got my phone, so I'm actually recording all these on my phone. The only reason why the last one was recorded in big was because that was on the security camera of the ring. Well, it's not really a security camera. I don't know anymore. Wow, this video is actually quite long for the videos I'm doing now. Well, it's not that long. It's not long, but it's long for videos that I'm doing at the moment. Who's crying? Is that Ali or Sage? I think it's Ali. You sound like a whistle, Ali. Oh, this is very wiggly. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I'm a body shaker. What? Oh no, there's not anything dark going on there, is there not? Oh god, that's a bit dark. I'm not gonna say why, and some people might disagree with me, but yeah. Oh god, this video is very long for the ones I'm doing right now. Well, it's not a long video, but you know, it's long for the videos I'm doing at the moment. So I think it's time I leave or something. Is it?